Exercise 41. The equation above, P equals 4 times n minus 1 plus 18, represents the total number P of awards given by the end of the nth award ceremony. So, let me write that once again. And like we keep saying in all these exercises, we always need to carefully understand the two quantities which are being connected. Here we have N and P. N stands for the order of the ceremony. It's the nth award ceremony. And P stands for the total number of awards. So someone gives the number of the award ceremony, and with that we can calculate the number of awards. Let's see. If a total of 70 awards have been given, so if P is 70, how many award ceremonies have occurred? So what is the order? What is N? I'm gonna simply plug in this information into the given equation. So 70 is 4 times n minus 1 plus 18. I can go just on Desmos. 70 equals 4 times x minus 1. In Desmos, we can only use x as the unknown, plus 18. Remember that in Desmos, all exercises are shown as vertical lines. Here, we end up that x, so in my case, n would have been 14. So n is 14. So how many award ceremonies have occurred? 14 ceremonies.